Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to watch Disney Plus in a group. So it's a very simple solution. Now, before showing you the solution, there are a few things that you should know first. So in order to watch a group show, both of the members should have a premium plan of Disney Plus, because if one of them doesn't have a plan, they will not be able to join. Now, if the other person who you're asking to join the group is logged in with a kids account, they will not be able to join your group session. So just simply keep that in mind and let's proceed. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply choose any show. Then over there you will find the icon of the group. Click on that. Now after you have initiated the group, you will find your logo at the very center of the page, and beside that you will find the invite button. Click on that. Then click on invite, and now a link will be generated. So just simply send the link to the person that you want to invite in your group session. So just simply send them a message, email, any way you wish, and the moment they will click on that link, they will join the group, as you can see right over here. Now after that, just simply click on start stream and the stream will start. But just for information, that everyone will have the access to pause and play the stream. Now after you are done watching the show and you want to leave the group session, just simply scroll up and click on leave group watch, then click on leave, and that way you will be able to leave the group session. Now I'm quickly going to show you how it works on a PC. Now again, in the computer you will find the group session option right there. So click on that, then it will initiate a group session. So just simply click on the plus icon to invite people, copy the link and send them through message, email, whatever you may like. So when they will join you, it will be the same as the phone application. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.